A year and a half ago, we set out on a crazy journey to build a life for ourselves on top of a mountain in North Idaho. What started as 20 acres of raw land has turned into the learning experience of a lifetime. Having never operated heavy equipment before, the past year has been full of countless curveballs. And we've come to appreciate just how important it is to have the right equipment for the job, and it feels like that wish list is never ending. But with a major multi-year road project underway, there's something that I've been especially dreaming of, and I had no idea that dream was about to come true. What is that?
Alright guys, Courtney is editing a video today and I'm headed out on a secret mission that she doesn't even know anything about. First step though is to get the chains off the truck. Alright, here we go. Okay, so I have second guessed myself on this one about 3 or 4 times now on this drive. I'm just about 10 minutes away from this guy's house. And I pulled into a gas station just to take a minute to actually think about this decision and make sure this is the right move for Courtney and I. I'm excited, but I'm also anxious. I think I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm here. This isn't exactly what I was expecting to pull up to. I'm in like a residential neighborhood. Wish me luck. If all goes well, I'll be coming home with a trailer behind me. What have I gotten myself into? What do you guys think? Is Courtney gonna be surprised? Merry Christmas, Courtney. Courtney thinks that I am snow skiing today, and I'm sure she's starting to wonder where I am and what I'm doing. I'm gonna drive the skid steer up the hill, come back for the truck. All right, so I am making the long walk back down to the truck. I was thinking about getting the four-wheeler, but I'm pretty sure that Courtney would notice if I started the four-wheeler right next to the building, and she doesn't think I'm home yet because I hid the skid steer down the hill. So I'm walking. Whoa. All right, I am back in the truck now, making my way back. I hid the skid steer down the hill. Courtney's none the wiser. All right, guys, I can't take it anymore. I am so excited, and I don't think Courtney has any idea. Can I give you your Christmas present?
Early?
Yeah, I think it'd be useful.
Is it a shovel?
Kind of.
Is it a puppy?
Not a puppy.
It's a baby skid steer! Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a Cat 247B. Is that a good one?
It's a little guy. All right, ready to get to shoveling?
Yeah.
All right, time to go do some shoveling.
You guys, we've gotten feet of snow in the last month. All of the locals are saying this is way more snow than we've ever gotten in December, and it's just like piling up everywhere. I can't even imagine if we hadn't built this carport what we would be doing, because at least that keeps this area clear of snow. I think we need to get this away from the building. But unfortunately, I can't really get the excavator back here. So I think that Riley's going to be shoveling it. No, I'll do some. King of the mountain.
Well, I think we should shovel the front out first.
And then back?
Yeah.
The front?
Yeah, let's shovel the front out first.
What is that?
Merry Christmas! You said you wanted a skid steer.
Riley!
Now I'm like kind of nervous that you didn't actually want a skid steer.
No, you didn't buy it. You rented it.
No, that's your skid steer.
No, it's
Blower and everything.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
You're messing with me.
No.
Is that the neighbors?
No.
I don't believe you. And it has a cab? Is there a heater?
And air conditioning.
What? How do I get in it?
You step right there. Well, you face the front when you drive it, not the back. So turn around.
I feel like I'm in like a fighter jet. How did you get it here?
I drove it. Close the cockpit.
it.
Put the arms down. Just push them down. Nope. Over your lap, like a seatbelt.
Oh.
Okay, that's the key. Turn it to the first click.
Oh, there we go. There are so many buttons in this thing.
Now turn the key. Turn it to start it.
Like
just like a car.
I think I need you to take the bow off.
She had no idea. Check it out. While she was asleep last night, I brought it up and I parked it under the Christmas tree. Oh, she got impatient waiting for me. What? How'd you figure out the parking brake?
I pushed a button. Wait, does the snowblower work?
Yeah. Why would I buy a machine with...
Because it doesn't feel real.
Oh yeah, guys, look at that. 7 foot wide front mounted snowblower. All right, this is a 2014 Cat 289D track loader. It came with the snowblower, a front bucket, forks, all-terrain tracks intended for snow use, actually. And I think it's gonna be the perfect sort of Swiss Army multi-tool machine that we really needed around here to help just move stuff around, move dirt around. It's got forks, so we can use it like a forklift. It's gonna make a lot of things a whole lot easier. I've been shopping for this for months. So, Merry Christmas.
Okay, can I go blow snow with it now?
Yeah, first I have to figure out how to work it though. The guy showed me yesterday, but there are so many buttons in this thing that I already can't remember. All right, she's run it through its paces. She's got it figured out, and it's time to see what this snowblower can do. Ready, on?
Okay, I'm gonna go down the hill.
This is so cool!
Oh my gosh, this is a game changer right here. It's like it is launching the snow all the way down and off the hill, where later this spring when it melts down there, it's not gonna matter. One of the problems with plowing a road like this is that then our snowbanks melt in the springtime right here on the road. All that water ends up on the road, making a huge muddy mess. Now it's not gonna matter when that snow melts because it's gonna be way down there. She's like, hey, you think I can blow into the deck instead of having to shovel? We'll see. Okay, now this is all of the rock hard compacted snow that slid from our roof off down below that we can't shovel. It's so hard we can't shovel it. There it is, just blowing it away.
Do I have to get out? I'm just gonna live in here.
Did you have the heater on?
Oh yeah, I'm sweating.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh. I don't have words. I literally feel like Superwoman. I'm still sitting in my skid steer because I still don't really believe that any of this is true. They're just so universal. We can put forks on it. We can put a grapple on it. We can blow snow with it. We can move gravel with it. And I cannot believe that we have one now. It's such a battle living up here. Things are so hard, and when we have the right equipment, it goes from hard to fun. And how the heck did Riley pull this off? Oh, good morning, guys. It is a beautiful sunny day. We actually did get a few unexpected inches of snow last night. Unfortunately, I don't think it's really enough to be worth snow blowing, so I thought it might be a good excuse to try out the bucket on my skid steer because I'm also equally excited about that. So let's see what it can do.
Well, now what is she up to? I just love that Courtney loves living this life just as much as I do. Up here, clearing the snow, running the equipment. You know, every day is a struggle, but every day is fun.
I'm using my equipment for my other equipment.
Try that. Yep. Now you can go down more. Now you're free. You can back up.
All right, about to hitch up to the bucket. I don't know what I'm doing.
Pretty sure that's it.
Okay, I'm gonna go push some snow around, I guess.
Sounds like a plan.
I think it's gonna take a little getting used to. It's kind of freaky, like having this giant thing, just like, especially when I go to dump it, but it moves so much more material than the excavator. It kind of feels like I'm in a spaceship. Yeah, it feels like a really, really cool spaceship.
What are your first impressions?
The snowblower definitely wins most fun attachment, but I can see how useful the bucket's gonna be, especially this summer. And it moves so much more material than I could ever move with the excavator, and it goes so much faster. It's like a little rocket ship.
A rocket ship.
I know that Riley bought the skid steer for me, but it's really for both of us. And so I told him that he needed to go out and play on it today while I edited. And I think he's having some fun. Honestly, the other day when Riley surprised me with the skid steer, I was definitely in shock. It still doesn't seem real. I think I just want to say, Riley, I love you. Thank you so much. Can't wait to see what memories we get to make with this piece of equipment.
Well, against Courtney's advice, I decided to try to take the skid steer down the steep hill so I could blow the snow away. And now I am very stuck. Oh, and we're sliding. Down the hill. Okay, I got it to stop. I have made quite a few attempts to get up this hill, and it's not happening. So I give Courtney a call, and she's on her way. On my very first attempt, I actually made it all the way right there before I started sliding. And now every time I try, I just end up further and further down the hill.
I told Riley that he should take the skid steer out today to go have some fun, but I told him not to get stuck, and he just called me and he's stuck. So I'm gonna go rescue him. Plow truck started, so that's a good start. I got the truck fired up, warmed up, and I'm headed to go rescue Riley. He's gonna owe me for this one. Here we go. Yeah, I just checked in with Riley and he wants me to back down the hill, so that's what I'm gonna do.
My reinforcements have arrived. I'm sure this is not what she wants to be doing right now. It is so slippery today. Kinetic rope's probably not the best choice of strap for this, but it's the one that we had in the truck, so it's gonna work. Thank you for rescuing me.
Where's my tip? After being rescued, Riley went home and ordered a set of ice studs for the skid steer. Once they arrive, this thing is going to be unstoppable, and we can't wait to put it to work.